Hey everyone, I'm Kristen. This is my YouTube channel, and today I'm unboxing a self-care box. It's called Work Home Happy. It's something that you guys told me that you liked, and so we're gonna unbox it and see if this is something that can help with self-care. Let's do this. Okay, so I asked a bunch of friends, I asked a bunch of people on here, I asked a bunch of people on my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter, all of the places. What boxes do you like that help you feel like you're taking care of yourself and that's kind of a treat? And one of the boxes that came up was Work Home Happy. I think that's called Work Home Happy. Yeah. And basically what this is, it's a box for females specifically. Oh, here, I'll read the tagline. Monthly subscription box for females who work from home. And I don't work from home, but I do love home decor. I love little stuff to put on my desk at work. But if you work from home, this is perfect. If you don't work from home, I hear that there are a lot of really cool things in this box that can kind of help you feel happy and good about yourself and just give you something to look forward to. So let's unbox it. Okay, so when I first open it, I get this little card. And it says, this box was created out of a selfish desire for quality items that improve productivity and bring a bit of joy into the day-to-day. Well, that sounds like exactly what I'm looking for in a self-care box. So let's dive in. First things first, I'm going to show you. There's this fun paper, which if you see my channel before, you know how much I love it. But it does get everywhere. So I'm going to pull that out, and then I'm going to pull out each of these things individually so we can take a look at them. This appears to be some sort of glasses wiping thing, which is great. I'm not wearing my glasses right now, but I do wear glasses, and these things always get lost. So I'm super excited about this. Already, this is a great self-care box for me, just with this. Okay, we've got Life is a Journey, Not a Race. This is a stress ball, which is fantastic. Even if you don't work from home, if you've got kids, if you've got friends, if you've got roommates, if you've got significant others, we're not happy all the time, and sometimes you just need a little bit of a stress ball. So this is great. Whoever recommended this, I think there are a few of you. So far, I'm super impressed. A super cute pen. It's a gift pen, but it's got a little heart. Can you see that? I think it's adorable. So yeah, and it says writing from the heart, which is cute, and it helps with my writing because if you're not writing from the heart, your writing's gonna kind of stink. So yay, AuthorTube. That one's great. And then let's see what else is in here. Okay, I don't know what this is. Electronics cleaning brush. Okay, so that's probably where this thing came from, which is exciting. But I'll show you. It has this retractable thing. Oh, look, it's a brush. That's cool. And then I think this right here is a silicone wiper, it says. Oh, that's cool. So just kind of clean off your screens, clean off your iPads, your phones, all of that good stuff. So this is cool. I can see how this is geared towards people who work from home, but this is also really awesome stuff for those of us who don't and who still have dirty electronics. Okay, what is next? Okay, there's this super cute bag. It's called Essentials. Well, it's not called Essentials, but it's named Essentials. And it looks like it's just a pencil case. It's pretty good size. I may not actually use it for pencils. I might use it for like makeup or something in my purse, which makes me very happy because I don't know if you're like me, but if you have a work bag or a purse or anything like that, it is impossible to find stuff sometimes. I was looking for my headphones today. It took me like 10 minutes. It drives me crazy. So maybe I'll put them in my essentials bag. And then it looks like the last thing in this is don't forget anything is possible. It's this really cute journal, which I like journals. I write, I have notes everywhere. So this is a really fun box. So there's the notebook. There is the electronic cleaners. There's a super cute pen. the essentials, and this life is a journey, not a race. So I feel like there's some pretty good stuff in here. It's a good value. I would recommend it. This isn't a box that I subscribe to all of the time, so I don't know what comes in it usually, but this is a really fun self-care box just to get kind of for fun. There's a lot of stuff in there that I will use personally, like at work, but if you work from home, it's great. Also, just, stuff to use in regular life. So it's all very cute. It was reasonably priced, and yeah, this was fun. So I recommend this cute box. Let's just read it again, what it is. Work, home, happy. My hope is that your box encourages healthy habits to help you thrive at work and beyond. So super cute. Yeah, it's a great box. So I recommend it if you're looking for these types of things, and if you're looking for fun stuff to put around your house, to put in your office, just to have everywhere. So it's a great way to do self-care. There's a couple more boxes that I've ordered. This is the first of, I think, 3. So stay tuned to my channel. Make sure to check back, and I will unbox the other ones to show you what other kind of cool things might be out there that could really help you do self-care and practice self-love and really take time for yourself. So I look forward to seeing you at my next video.